What's up, tech family? I've been testing window cleaners as of late, and Ecovacs, today's video partner, has just dropped something that's gonna absolutely change your window cleaning game. We're talking about the Winbot W3 Omni. Now, Ecovacs has been the #1 name in robotic window cleaners globally. And for those new to the channel, I'm all about finding tech that actually solves real problems. Let's be real, who actually enjoys scrubbing glass and window streaks? The W3 Omni tackles the biggest problem with previous models. What happens after the robot is finished cleaning? You were washing those pads by hand, but with the W3 Omni, it handles everything, and I mean everything. You see, the breakthrough here is called Vortex wash technology. The cleaning station creates a powerful vortex that deep cleans the microfiber pads in just 1 minute with a 96% stain removal rate. Hands down, this is a beautiful upgrade. But let's talk about the cleaning performance itself, because that's what really matters. The W3 Omni uses what they call WinSlam 5.0 navigation. Instead of following a predetermined path like the older models, this thing actually maps your windows and adapts to real-world conditions. It handles edges, corners, and obstacles intelligently. And trust me, we put this to the test. I had a few hooks that are on my glass windows, and this thing went around and cleaned phenomenally. Now, I tested this on my large and small windows, and the edge cleaning is phenomenal. The W3 Omni gets right up to the edge with its true edge technology, like literally up on the edge. Then it sprays and scrubs and squeegees all in one pass. Listen, this thing is versatile. Multiple cleaning modes, handles different glass types, whether you're dealing with shower glass, cabinet doors, or frameless windows. The robot automatically adjusts pressure and cleaning intensity based on what it detects. And here's something most people don't consider: the economics. Professional window cleaning services can cost hundreds of dollars per visit. The W3 Omni retails for around $700, which is basically what you would pay for maybe 2 or 3 professional cleanings depending on your home size. There's also a great 12-tier safety system. The station weighs about 22 pounds and has an 800 Newton suction base. So there's zero chance of this thing moving during operation. Plus, if power fails, the robot stays attached for 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to retrieve it safely. Now, the setup is genuinely effortless. Place the station near your window, attach the robot, hit start, and walk away. No apps to configure, no complex programming. It's literally that simple. Now, the auto rewind cable system means no tangling, no manual winding. The station handles everything, literally everything. So I've been using this now for several days, and what strikes me most is how it feels less like operating a gadget and more like having a service. You don't think about the cleaning process anymore, you just get clean windows. So the W3 Omni works on battery power or plugged in, so you can use it literally anywhere, even on windows far from outlets. The dual power modes give you flexibility for any cleaning scenario. But the real game changer is that maintenance factor. Previous robotic window cleaners automated the cleaning, but left you with the cleanup afterwards. Yet the W3 Omni completes the entire cycle. It cleans your windows, returns to base, washes its own pads, drains the dirty water, and sits there ready for the next cleaning session. What I love about Ecovacs' approach here is they didn't just make the robot smarter. They reimagined the entire workflow. Sometimes the best technology is the kind that just disappears into the background and handles everything you don't want to think about. Now, the cost of this machine is roughly equivalent to a single professional window cleaning service, but with the WinBot, it can be used repetitively. And that's the W3 Omni experience. Set it, forget it, and enjoy clean windows. Like, experience this now using the links in the description below and thank me later.